Welcome to DJM.
My people, greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJM TV. Yes, so my people, not be small thing, no, not be small Gbasgbos for our studios. Where this APC spokesperson come begin they give Rufai woto, not be here, my people. Also the question will be say Rufai ask some, my people, not be small thing, no. This one so they drag Rufai say that Rufai dey wrong for this one. No. Anyway, I will play on the video now. Mona watch, mona hear how the whole thing takes up inside our studio. Mona watch and make una share when you come back.
I can call him on phone now and ask him whether he has ever had reason to discipline or had the management discipline anybody, here on Arise TV for doing things that are outside of, procedure. Is Arise TV above board? So the party is not above board. Neither is Arise TV, nor any other party or institution in this world. So when you suggest that APC stinks because somebody, I'm coming, somebody without conclusive evidence, without investigation, without any report or finding, or even prosecution or a finding of guilt, the party stinks. I take strong exception to that.
So, Mr. Moka,
that's unfair and it's wrong.
Your job is to take strong exceptions to it when I say the party stinks. I, as a journalist, is to constantly tell you. Hang on a minute. Let me finish.
You can justify.
As a journalist,
when you say that, you must justify. You don't just throw words around and expect it to stick. You shouldn't.
Let me speak.
That's not the standard of journalism.
I, as a journalist, I am to constantly tell you your party stinks, and I'm giving you facts. Take for instance,
give the facts and leave that opinion. That's your personal opinion.
Okay, so
and it's irrelevant to anybody.
So hang on a minute. The culture minister.
Yes.
The case of the culture minister.
Yes.
That didn't get NYSC, went through your screening process from the government of your party again, and nothing was done about it, and now she serves like nothing happened.
What about it? What's your point?
So that's not wrong for an NYC member to hold a ministerial position?
Rufai,
it's not wrong?
Listen, Rufai.
It's not wrong?
Rufai.
Yes.
You want to have that conversation?
I want to have it with you.
You want to have the conversation?
Yes.
So what is your question about that?
So my question is it right that somebody that is supposed to be serving the NYSC served as minister in this country and nothing was done about it? Is it not against the NYSC laws that say you must not serve in any other place as an NYSC member?
Actually, again, I am not speaking for the minister. No, hang on.
But she's in your party.
Listen.
She's in your party.
You ask a question, then let me answer it.
Yes.
And you don't guide me as to how I answer a question you have asked. The minister is a minister of the Federal Republic appointed by an APC-led government. At the time of her appointment, as I understand it, this minister was serving as a national youth corper. Rufai, youth corpers in Nigeria, do you know, have you ever heard of any youth corper who is assigned to serve with the government or any institution of the government? Have you? Why do you ask this question like it's such a strange phenomenon?
So it's not a big deal.
Hang on. So Rufai, you wanted an answer. Let me answer you, please. This minister was already registered and was in the process of service at the time she was appointed minister. Youth corpers serve with the Central Bank of Nigeria. Youth corpers are legitimate federal, youth who are serving, who by statute, who have a mandatory, year of service. They are deployable to. Please, I must finish this.
When you finish,
yes, I must finish.
Yeah.
They are deployable to any institution, including the presidency, including the ministry.
So the primary assignment was the Ministry of Culture.
If the president decided to take a youth corper today, because of whatever reason, in his prerogative as president, to appoint that person to any office, the president has the authority to do so, and that individual already is in the frame of service to the country.
So the only difference is they didn't discover when your ministerial screening went on that she was doing this.
Now you are moving a different point.
So that's part of the
rest this matter. That's not a valid point.
Yes, so my people, not be smart thing though, and the updates will carry come from like this with this one. And reason my people make a drop comments, so make sure don't forget to like and share. Now do we see you on our next video. DJ